Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, and welcome to Ignorant Industries. My name is Lou Hornberger, and I'm your chief ignoramus here at Ignorant Industries. Today, I'm going to take a look at ViidCloud. This is something new, ViidCloud from Mario Brown and Moshe Bari, called ViidCloud. All right, so I want to take this is really an impressive piece of software. I'm so glad I got a chance to take a look at it. I have full package to look at. I can show you everything this product can do. All right, so this is the ultimate marketer's video platform, and it's now available. It went on sale on December 29th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So it is available now. Hop on this. The price will be rising. This is not some false scarcity. They're going to be raising the price. Okay. So what is it here? So here we are, the basic picture here of the ViidCloud, right? And there's the timer. That is the limit for the launch pricing. But even in the launch, the pricing is going up. So you want to move as quickly as possible on this. So if you're ready to make a purchase, boom, click right there. Hit that green button. It'll take you over to the sales page. You can pick it up and you'll get all the bonuses that they're offering. Plus, you'll grab the bonuses that I'm included. 5 bonuses you can't get anywhere else. Let me show you what they are. Nobody else can offer this bonus package. All right, the first bonus, I'll tell you why they can't offer it, because number one is my product. In September this year, I launched a product called Hello Newman. It is a training on how to use Story to create emails that connect with your audience. So it takes you through using the framework of the show Seinfeld and shows you how to utilize their story style to create email sequences to connect with your audience through story. So if you purchase the front end, you get the front end of Hello Newman. And if you purchase any of the OTOs, the upgrades, any of them, doesn't matter which one, you will get the full cast upgrade, which doubles the number of the cast members, that story styles that you'll learn. So that is available free. You can only get that through me. Okay. Next thing I'm going to offer you here is another thing you can only get through me. 5 ways to profit from Instagram. Yes, this is a book that shows you 5 ways that you can profit on Instagram today, in this market, in this world right now, that you can profit off of Instagram. Not just scroll, but profit. All right, so this is a unique setup you can only get from me. Bonus number 3, 30-day content marketing plan. This will allow you to develop a marketing plan for your business, because I tell you, once you get ViidCloud, you're going to see your business explode. 30-day content marketing plan, you're going to need this to be able to plan out your future. So there's a training on how to do that. All right, bonus number 4 is auto webinar profits. Now, this is a next step in your growth in your business and creating an auto webinar. And it shows you how to do that with this package. Number 5, Facebook continuity profits. And this shows you how to use Facebook to continually make profits, how to connect with your audience. So once you're connected to that audience with your video, you bring them into your Facebook group, you're giving them webinars and connecting them. Folks, this is amazing the way this whole thing works together. That's why I put this bonus package together just for you for this product, ViidCloud. All right, so again, you want it, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. All right, so the button below will show you how to get this. Here it is, right there's the buttons. And the bonus delivery, how do I get my bonuses? Well, I actually skipped over the top section. I'm a little forgetful today because this is so interesting what this product is. So here's ViidCloud, right? We looked at this, and the video that you're watching right now will go here, because our policy at Ignorant Industries is not to publish a video until we've actually recorded it. But I tell you what, this looks like Vimeo, right? It says it right there. We're not going to be on Vimeo. I'm going to have this video on my sales page, my review page will be actually hosted on ViidCloud. So you'll see what it can do. All right. So what is ViidCloud? It is a video hosting service, and there are no ads. Are you tired of your people seeing Facebook ads when they go to your videos, or ads for other products? Because people on YouTube think, oh, they would like this too. No, you have total control of what is shown on your videos when you host them on ViidCloud. That's just huge right there. Right there, you can do that. Plus, you get a landing page creator that can host your videos with a few templates to start you out. Of course, the more you upgrade, the more templates you get, that kind of more options. You know how they work with the upgrades. If you get one of the upgrades that allows you to collect leads directly from within your video, and I'll give you an idea of what that looks like when you watch this video on my review page, the video you're watching now, at the end, there'll be a button that'll allow you to go right to the sales page. and that's all we built in to the video, and that's part of ViidCloud. You can collect leads directly from your vids. It'll pop up and say, "Hey, click on here to get your to connect and to get your email. Submit your email, and then you'll get something, whatever you want to set up." And it is fantastic for agencies, for either local or online marketers. All these things here. So Mario and Mosh, there they are. They bring you this ultimate way to host and present video to your customers. There you go. Another one of those green buttons. You can watch the sales video below. Now, notice this. See how this is bouncing here? Yeah, that ain't YouTube. That ain't Wistia. That ain't Vimeo. That is ViidCloud. You get all these features right here. They're showing you all the pieces. Take a look here. It'll also be on the sales page. We'll look at that in a second here. But this shows you right here the kind of stuff it can do. And that's just one of the simple things it does. Okay? You see this thing looping the video piece at the beginning? That's a GIF that it creates from your video. Automatic. You tell it how many seconds and which seconds you want from your video, creates a GIF, and that is what sits on there, what people see when they come up to your video. Impressive, huh? So there's that green button again. Bonus number 1, we already went through these bonuses, all 5 spectacular bonuses, plus you get all the vendor bonuses too. So you click on this button here, take it to it. When you want your bonuses, they're going to be delivered on JVZoo directly. There'll be a button at the bottom that says bonuses, and that's how you'll pick up your bonuses from Ignorant Industry. So thanks for taking the time to check out my review of my bonuses. You can see all my recent reviews, videos at ignorantindustries.com. Keep on rocking. All right, so let's take a look at the sales page. All right, here we are on the sales page for ViidCloud. And it says you can activate your ready to profit video hosting marketing agency without any budget, video skills, or marketing experience, right? There's that video again. There's that bouncy thing there, right? Bounce, bounce, bounce. And the idea here is everything is set up for you. So as multiple issues where businesses are facing right now, it keeps your clients' traffic in-house. You're not sharing this on YouTube where other people can get advertised on your videos. Everything is here. You can turn your clients. That's the other thing. You get commercial rights to this. You can do stuff for clients, host things with all the various upgrades. You can do even more as an agency. You can create your own domain that you host these on instead of being hosted on the ViidCloud servers. You can set up the ability for other people to use it as a reseller. I mean, there's so many things. Now, again, that's not on the front end. You don't get that for the price of $39, but you get everything as you upgrade. So really take a look at these upgrades because they really revolutionize what you can do. And I'll give you a taste of what those upgrades are. All right, so there's the commercial license that is included. So you can get started, no monthly fee, and it's risk-free. You own an all-in-one video hosting and marketing agency for total market domination, right? So there's a lot here on this sales page. I encourage you to take a look at it. Read it closely, read it carefully, right? There's Mario Brown there at the beach. And this is reality. Video is the king of content, right? So all this information about how it works, what it does. I want to hop down to the panel that shows you all you get with it. It is a very extensive sales page. You learn a lot by reading the sales page about what it does, what it can do. Compares with Wistia, Vimeo, and Vidyard. Pricing-wise, you can't beat it, right? And wow, there's a lot of information here. All right, so here it is. The commercial edition, which is the front end, the basic unit, allows you 200 gigabytes of storage. Now, unlimited videos, so if you have short videos, again, you're not going to get unlimited for the front end, right? You're going to get, but 200 gigabytes is a lot of storage. You can upload 10,000 videos per month. 10,000. Do the math on that. How many is that per day, right? You can connect your Dropbox account if you want more space. If you have an Amazon S3 account, you can use that as well. It's all up to you. You can expand as much as you want on that. Video to GIF technology, I already talked about that. You can built in landing page. You can create playlists. Oh, the playlist thing is so beautiful. When you create a playlist, it puts them down to one side, and you can click on them, and they show on the other side big. It's just beautiful the way it's set up. Solves the autoplay browser issue, right? You can set it to autoplay. You don't have to worry about Wistia. You don't have to worry about YouTube. It will autoplay. Animated buttons. The play button bounces around. And if you upgrade, you get even more versions of that button. It is mobile friendly and optimized. No ads on your videos ever because they're not on YouTube. You're hosting them. It is MP4 format, full HDR support. All kind of customizations, nothing to download. It's all in the cloud. So it doesn't matter what platform you're using. Commercial license included. All right, so The lead capture and management, asterisk there, it's available with an upgrade. I talked about that, right? Button CTO overlay, it's an asterisk, available with upgrade. The white label, you can sell this as if it were your own with a white label, as if it is your product. And they do all the support and tech and everything for you. That's why I think this is such an amazing product, especially with the white label. Okay. And there's advanced tracking and SEO that can be built in with one of the upgrades. But for $39, you start with tons of features. Okay. So let's take a look at the actual product. Okay. Now the version I have has a whole bunch of upgrades to it, right? So you're not going to see everything. If you buy the front end, it's going to be a little bit less than this. All right. So, but let me just show you what I'm not going to show you how to. I'm going to show you what it has done. Okay. So for example, I have created a playlist. All right. So it's just a couple videos on it. So if I go into my playlist, I hadn't been logged in for a minute. So if I go into my playlist, and I see here, oh, look, here is a playlist I created. I called it test. Very creative, huh? And if I go to this playlist, there's a link for us. I click on that link, and now it's opened it. And look at this. Look at that button animated moving around, right? Look at this video here. This is a GIF of the first 2 seconds of the video, and it just plays it in a loop over and over again. Think of how you can use that for marketing. You put some words there, right? But you're not just limited to the GIF of the video. You can add any GIF of your own. You can grab GIFs off of Tenor or anything like that, off of Jiffy. You can add other images off of Pixabay, or even your own images you can upload, right? So now here's the left side. This is the list. So I could potentially have a list of dozens of videos here, right? And I click on this other one, and then it loads it over here. And look, there's a different icon. I can customize this here. This is our playlist. I have a footer. Contact us for more information. All right. Now back in the main program here. So here are the templates. Now I have the full version, so I have all the templates, okay? But when I create a template, I go into my template list and I can see templates that I have created, right? And then I can grab those and I can use them, and they are full on pages that I customize. Let me just give you a sample here, like auto repair. Say you have an auto repair shop, or you know somebody, maybe you've got a cousin or something that's auto repair shop and needs a basic, simple, like 1-page site. So I click on the auto repair template. I go down to the bottom. I clicked on customize template, and bada bing, bada boom, and it's all select and edit, select and edit. So I want to change this image here. I click on it. Oh, look, there's the URL for it. It's a placeholder thing. But I want to grab something from Tenor, and I want something for car repair. Okay. So now I have car repair here. Boom. There's my image of somebody doing car repair, and I would save this. I can adjust. This is the video will go here, it says, right? And I can select which button I want on that, button text. I have share links here, how to contact. Folks, this is all built in with all, when you get the upgrades as you move forward. Just take a look at what the upgrades are. You don't have to do them all at once, right? Do the first upgrade and see what that gives you, and then say, maybe I want to go to the second one. But what I'm saying is you'll see how this is able to sell to other people because you have the commercial license right away. All right, so what else you got? Oh, this I told you about the ways you can save, where you can save your storage. Autoresponders. It works with the big autoresponders out there, right? Aweber, GetResponse, Constant Contact, MailChimp, Sendio, SendLane. All these are built-in connections for them. And what if you don't have one of them? Well, there is a way to do it, to just do a standard CSV. All right, I'll move myself over here a little bit. You can just do leads, download as a CSV. Right, and pop this menu out, and you can see all the things that come with it that are built in. All right, so that is the product. I talked a lot about upgrades. Let me tell you what those upgrades are. Okay, so the front end, it's $39. It's lightning fast videos. You get 5 website templates that can be sold. Again, like I said, you upgrade, you get more templates. Instant video to GIF technology is included. Hundreds of GIFs because you have access to them through Tenor and Jiffy. Your stats. There's no ads, no third-party video recommendations or anything like that. Full marketing campaigns. It's mobile responsive, and you can instantly embed. Now, that's $39. Now, what about the upgrade? OTO1, first upgrade, is the unlimited version. For $67, it takes their logo off of the images. You can add your logo to the player if you want, or no logo. You go to unlimited bandwidth, unlimited campaigns, unlimited video to GIF conversions, and unlimited videos built in. OTO 2, the pro version, $67. You can add the call to actions to your videos. You see how that $67 you'll earn back so quickly because you have the call to action right there in your video. SEO optimization. You can put tracking in pixels, more button animations, 100,000 high def stock images for your videos, 20 more website templates. You can add 10 team members to your account. OTO 3 is this white label I was talking about. Now, there's a couple options here. There are really three options here. The three options are the option number one, which is the 50 accounts that allows you to sell up to 50 accounts of the front end of ViidCloud. You get 100% of the profit. Second option is the unlimited accounts for $297. There's no limit to what you can sell. Yeah, it's double that, but once you hit 50, once you hit 100, it's all profit. So you get full label rights. The third option is a payment plan for $97 a month for 4 months. So it is a little more expensive. You end up with an unlimited plan. You get full white label rights, white label panel. You can upload your logo, your brand, your custom domain, and all. OTO 4 for $67 is the agency marketing kit. So you get some done-for-you marketing materials to help agencies to sell video marketing and hosting, graphics, business cards, brochures, ads, agreement, contract, all that kind of stuff is included with the agency. But I want to look at this ViidCloud thing because I think this is impressive, the fact that you can then go to other people and sell this. Most people aren't aware of this kind of stuff on the internet. But if you know it, you can utilize this white label stuff. Let me give you a taste of what the white label area, because it's actually a separate app, right? It's a whole separate website for the white label to manage. That's how significant it is. All right, so here's what it looks like. Similar colors, layout, right? But like here, this section right here, you can adjust the image, the site colors, the SEO, your links, your storage, your payments available. All these things you can adjust right here on the app that is part of the white label product that allows you to upload all the different pieces that you need, your trainings, your managing of your users, your domain setting, your app settings, bonuses that are all included. All that stuff comes with the white label kit. That's why I think this is such an impactful product here, that you pay all this one time, and you've got all these things. So even if you just did the 50, think about that. What you could do with 50 copies of this, right? Even if you just sold it for the straight up $39, or maybe you want a few dollars less, that's 100% profit to you. And, do the math there. You don't have to sell all 50 before you break even, right? At $150 for 50 of them, you're paying $3 each. So anything you spend over, everything you charge over $3 is profit. You can't beat that cost. And if you go unlimited, that's outrageous. Anyway, that's everything that comes with the white label. It's pretty powerful option. So just to wrap up here, wow. ViidCloud offers a whole lot for a very low price for what you're getting for it. I highly recommend it. On the ignorant scale, with 1 being completely ignorant and a 10 being absolute perfection, this is a 9.8. Folks, this is run and grab this. That's all I have for now. Until next time here on Ignorant Industries, my name is Lou, your Chief Ignoramus. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.